Bring you home.
No, bro, I gotta stay here, you know.
Oh, come on!
Dude,
Brandon's still recording.
It is, go.
Hold on, there's Mr. Skinner.